Here we go, guys. Phase 2 of our transfer of equipment. Today we're going to be mounting the pressure washer. Thing's pretty heavy. So this is going to be our project for today. Try to transfer the pressure washer, and after that we'll see what other things we'll transfer out. But for that, we need to install this first. Purchased this at Harbor Freight. It's a crane with the cable winch. We're gonna try to see if we can mount it onto the truck here. We're really not gonna put much on this side, and we're planning to put the pressure washer on this side, this corner. So maybe we can crane it from the trailer and then just kind of just crane it this way. So we'll see how that goes. Well, got this little first step out the way. It took longer than expected. Had to do a quick run to Lowe's because I had bought these Harbor Freight drill bits, but did not recommend this if you're gonna be drilling on through metal holes. Look what happened. About cut my whole hand off. I was drilling in and got cut here on the side. So if you're gonna be drilling through metal, I personally would not recommend these Hercules brand from Harbor Freight. Trash. So had to spend the extra $1 and just go ahead and purchase these DeWalt drill bits. Way much better. Not drill like nothing. And I had to buy this this drill here to do the work because this impact is too strong to be drilling through here, and this here is perfect for it. So I'm gonna make this little purchase. Been wanting to buy this for the longest. Perfect moment to use it. Now we got this part done. Got it drilled up in there the way we want it. So anytime we need to take down pressure washers or put a new pressure washer, I'll be using this bad boy here and just mount it, you know, wherever I need. And this here supposedly spins 360 to wherever I need it, so should good to go. Next step is to adapt this little bar crane, and we have all this here. Just what we got. See how that goes. Here's the bar. It's rated up to 1,000 pounds. It's a winch, whatever you call that. And let's get it. I got the crane all set up. It's good to go. Took a little adjusting here and there, but we got it. We had to release some air from this plug here, so you gotta make sure you read the instructions before you attempt to put any weight on here. This is very dangerous to work with, especially if you're picking up heavy equipment on your own. All I had to do was unplug this, pump it a little bit, release some of that air, and plug this back in. But this was a little tricky to plug in, so I had to use these and be able to do it. So put my weight on it and it seems not to go down at all. I mean, I only weigh about 150, 160, but nothing compared to the pressure washer's weight. So we'll just kind of do a little test on it. Just lift it up a little bit and see how long this hydraulic lasts without. We're gonna just see if it doesn't go down at all. It says to add fluid if necessary, but we'll just give it a little test. Probably lift it off about an inch or two and see how long this thing lasts. If it doesn't go down at all, then we should be good to go. It's not going to be too much of a move. It's just going to be from the trailer. The plan is to move it from the trailer back here, this corner. This is where we want the pressure washer at. Let's get it. Okay, we unbolted these 4 bolts on the pressure washer. Hose is disconnected. Oh, fuel line. Glad I was recording because I was about to connect this and hang it up. But other than that, the plan is to attach this to one of these, or I may kind of do like grab a chain and hook both at the same time and just kind of lift it up and pass it on over there. We'll see what happens. Well, so far it looks like it's doing its thing. It's off the ground. Hydraulic thing is not going down the cylinder, so we're gonna keep going and just keep pumping it. See how it goes. Okay, I won't be able to record because I need to have both hands handy. I'm not sure where my tripod is at, but I'll try to keep it as posted as possible. Well, that was a success. Got it where we need it. Everything turned out well. That was a tough one. So now now that we have the crane on this side, we're gonna take advantage of that because we have to move it to this side here to move this softwash system. So since the crane is on this side, we're gonna go ahead and move this tank. We're gonna strap around, put a strap over it, and do the same process. And we're planning to put this tank right here in the middle. Well guys, this is what we got so far. We got a tank, pressure washer. We had to pass the wrench or the crane, whatever we call it, to this side. The softwash system's not too heavy. I mean, I picked it up myself. So just do 2 bolts. Thing ain't going nowhere. Just kind of lift it up. It's not heavy at all. Just I'm not gonna use my string just to try to pick it up on there. Why use that when you have the crane? And I'm gonna tie it up on here. Probably use one of these, wrap it up around, lift it up. Should be good to go. This trailer is gonna be my next project. I'm gonna fix it up and probably put it up for sale or use it for another rig, who knows. But I am gonna fix it up. I was ready to take everything off because it was, you know, if you're in the pressure washing business, all that SH damages everything, wear and tear, and I've only had it for a year and it looks pretty beat up for 1 year. So I'm gonna sand this down, but that'll be another video. Get it fixed up, pretty much it. Just it was only from this half back where it's damaged the most, but other than that, the rest of it just, you know, some wear and tear. Won't be using these anymore for this. We're gonna update you guys just depending on my time because I have some work scheduled. If necessary, we'll use these, but I have planned to get some new hose rails. I have another one with this Summit, the same one. Probably use it for about a month or 2. It's almost brand new, so I may use that and just probably buy one more hose reel for either my garden hose or pressure washing hose, who knows. I'll come up with everything as I go. Kind of have a plan, but at the same time I'm just, you know, adding things here and there. But if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for the next video. I'll try to keep you guys updated. I'm not perfect, you know, I'm just doing everything, you know, out of my head, you know. But, you know, it's coming along. Thank God everything is going as planned. So, about to back this thing up, turn it around. And this will probably be the last thing I'll work on today. To start back up early morning. Just get it set up here and let's get it. We are done for today. Got done more than I would expect it. I am highly satisfied with how everything's turning out. I'll be doing some modifications here. I haven't bolted down anything here yet, but the rest is where it should be. It's kind of an idea of how I want things. Wow, I'm impressed. Got more than what I expected. Well guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, appreciate it so much. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.